Sustainability is a journey. I used to think that someday we'd be the most sustainable and it would be like a mountain peak you look down from. But forget it. It's a team sport and a journey.
Hallo. Hallo. Da ist die Hannah.
There's Hannah. Hannah is the product manager for packs and bags.
Oh, und da ist der Rafa.
And there's Rafa. You're here. Rafa is the product manager for bike bags, for all the bike products that are made in our factory.
Made in Germany.
To me, made in Germany also means, and this is really important to me, having a holistic approach here at the company headquarters. To have the entire product development, from the first sketches, from the first ideas, to the technology, then to the actual production and sales and marketing in a closed circuit here on site.
Marketing hier einfach als geschlossenen Zyklus im Haus zu haben.
The special thing about the Made in Germany products is that you can get all the people who work on a product involved from the beginning, whether it's in manufacturing or in design. You can share ideas much more quickly, communication channels are shorter, and you can adapt feedback and solutions much faster and implement them immediately in the product.
Okay, to get to the factory, you have to go through a part of logistics. All the merchandise comes to Obereisenbach first and is sent on from here. Currently, our biggest goal is to make the whole global supply chain transparent, knowing where things come from down to the last button, and whether it was made under ecologically and socially responsible conditions.
What's special about our Made in Germany products is that they're made out of a robust tarpaulin material. The tarpaulin is also PVC-free. And all products that we produce here in Germany are made in a climate-neutral manner.
Hallo.
Here we are in our production facility. Here we mostly produce products for the bike and packs and bags segments.
Hi, Gerda.
This is what a bag looks like when it's been welded.
Wenn der geschweißt wurde.
On the one hand, at first glance, you think that it's really restrictive to innovation because we ourselves say we don't want to use these materials which may contain harmful substances, or we don't want to work with these suppliers because we don't like their operating principles. But this always leads to the challenge of operating as a pioneer. We always have to come up with new solutions that didn't exist before. Here's the sewing area. This is where the bags are sewn. The edge is hemmed. Bells are sewn, buckles are attached.
Schnallen eingesetzt. Hallo.
So concentrating on these values of sustainability is what makes VAUDE unique and therefore distinguishes it from the rest of the competition. I think in the course of globalization, the world is becoming more complex. And for a lot of people, the idea made in Germany is really about trust. You know the working conditions are good. You know the quality is good. You have the feeling that you support the local economy. For years, this has been the fastest growing product group. This is where our heart is. It makes absolute sense to have the entire product development process here on site and not to outsource parts of it. It does a lot for the identity of the people who work here. We see this as the core focus of VAUDE. And when I see my colleagues working here, it fills me with pride. It's just great. I think it also creates a sense of purpose for employees as well as for me and for everyone who works here. Just a special pride in the product. It's a value that cannot be measured with money. But I believe that for the identity of the company and employees, it's really important.